Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Backpack Business Lifestyle Weekly Coaching Webinar. We've had some serious issues with GoToWebinar lately, which is what I use to do our webinars, and I apologize for that. Last week, we started with creating your first membership site from scratch, part 1. Today, we're going over part 2. If you missed part 1, either in the Backpack Business Lifestyle Mastermind group, you can find the recording. You can find the recording at backpackbusinesslifestyle.com, or you can go to youtube.com/Liz Tomey, and you can see the webinar there also, and all webinars, videos, everything that I've done there. All right, so let's take a look who is here today. We've got Chris, Isaac, Jeff, Peter, Rachel, Randall, Stephen, and Todd. Glad to have you guys all here. And as I said, I'm glad that the webinar actually worked today. I'm not even going to get into that. I'm so pissed off and frustrated over it that I don't even want to talk about it at this point. I've been on the phone with GoToWebinar several times. They're like, nobody else has this problem. We don't know why you're having this problem. I'm like, okay. That's a really good response when you don't know what the hell is going on. Well, nobody else is having this problem. Sorry, we can't help. So we're just going to skip past my saltiness to GoToWebinar today, and we're going to get started. All right, so last week I created several of the pages to my membership site. No, all we got done was the member homepage. We got the training set up, the support, and we got to get, today we're going to get month 1 and month 2 pages done and get everything protected, okay? So, what I need to do is I need to create another page. So I got my members homepage created. I need to go to Optimize Press, Create New, and I'm going to go down to the templates that are the membership templates. They're down here somewhere. Here we go. So this is the matching page that goes with this these templates. It's course is the name of these pages. So I'm going to do, let's look at this. So this is what it's going to look like. I can take out any of these that I want. So let's go ahead and go with this one. So we're going to do, use this template. We're going to call this month 1. Month 1. Month 1 graphics. So create page. It's going to pop up. So I'm going to get rid of this little graphic here because I'm not using that. And we're going to do ready to go graphics.com month 1 graphics. Let's see what that looks like. Good with that. So I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm also going to get rid of this whole row because this isn't like a lesson. The name of these templates, like I said, is course. This is basically for like a course type thing, but you can make them do whatever you want. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So questions. If I wanted to, I could put the whole support thing here again. But I think that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to get rid of that WordPress comments. Is what I would like to do here. I don't want that to say questions. I'm trying to, there we go. We're just going to put resources. And then here I can put in, banners, stuff like that that is related to whatever my niche is. And this is graphics for digital product creators. So I could go find products that I can be an affiliate for that are related to creating your own products, editing graphics, more graphic stuff. I can put all kinds of stuff in there, okay? But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. So this one's called Lesson Tasks. I'm going to change this to Downloads. Put that in there. And I'm going to get rid of this because all I really want on this page are the actual graphic downloads. So if I go to, and remember guys, I already have a membership site created. I'm just changing it over, the templates over, the site over to a different management, and I'm putting it on WordPress instead of having it just as an HTML thing. Alright, so thanks again for joining in our monthly graphics membership. We will be delivering you 10 high-quality niche next year. You can access your graphics below, as well as unadvertised bonuses and our affiliate program. Please note you will need. We highly recommend that you bookmark this page now. I'm not going to put that on there. Alright, so I'm just going to copy and paste I'm going to take all of it. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to, let's add an element and let's do text. Actually, let's do a box. So box. And you guys might hear some noise. I'm working outside today because it's freaking gorgeous. Okay, let's do, just go with a regular white box here. So I'm just going to paste all that in here, and I'm going to edit what I want out of here. Thanks for joining ready to go graphics.com. We will be delivering you, this needs to get out of there, so if I insert that into there, I'm going to actually take it and put it above, maybe, where did it go? There we go. Put it above, there we go, and then we have downloads. Alright, so there's going to be 10 different downloads here. So I'm going to edit this. And each of these has an image, and I want to use the images, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. So we've got, alright, sorry guys, I got Randall type it in things. Randall said create an overlay. I might just have to do something different with this. Dun, 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 dun. I really like how this has 2 by 2 here. How should I do this? I know I need to get rid of that. I wonder if I can do 2-column text. That's what I want to do. So column text, column text. So this would be monthly templates. Let's do add media. Insert from URL, because I'm just using that existing URL. Let's do insert into post. Click, what does it say here? Click here to download. Alright, so let's do click here to download this package. Copy link address. Paste. And then the second one would be this one. So open image in new tab. Add media. Again, insert from URL. Insert. I'm going to come below it. Click here to download this package. Copy link address. And paste. Make that bold. And let's see what this has done. So insert. Update. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what it looks like when we publish it. So I'm going to do view public link. Monthly, month 1 graphics. Yeah, looks great. Download this package. Alright, so it looks like, edit, I can just clone this and do the exact same thing. Open a new tab, open a new tab. Let's edit this. Alright, that's not going to work. Let's just get rid of it. I'm actually going to copy and paste this little bit of text in Notepad so I can just copy and paste it in there because I want to get rid of the whole thing so I don't have any issues. So add media. Up. I copied and pasted. Insert right below it. Copy my little bit of text here. Click here to download. Copy link address. Link. Okay. Need to get rid of the whole thing here. Add media. The Chinese fan making. Paste. Insert. Copy. Control V. Copy link address. I also need to make this one bold. Come on. Let's bold it. There we go. So we do insert, update. You don't have to look at it every time. Be a lot faster if I didn't. So I've got 4 of these in here now. So if I click save and continue, and we look here, click here to download this package. So everything's looking good. Looks like this is going to work perfectly, okay? So I'm just going to do a couple more of these, and then I'll come back later and fix them all. So we've got dog training, health and wellness. So open a new tab, open a new tab. Let's go back to our page here. We're going to edit. And to make this a little bit easier on myself, you know what I could do? Since I know this is going to work, I can just do add 2-column text. And that way I'm not trying to delete and recopy stuff over. So, add media, insert, copy, paste. We're going to make it bold, and then dog training, copy link address, link, paste, add media, copy, paste. Now, of course, if you were doing this, you would be adding your own content. You're not just going to be copying and pasting content, okay? So, copy link address, insert, update. So I've got 6 of those in there. Looks like, I think on month 1, these people get like double, because I don't think, if we go to month 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Must be like bonus graphics every month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I guess the first 2 months there's bonus graphics. Probably help if I read the sales page. I can't remember. It's been a minute since I've dealt with this site. Okay, yeah, so it just looks like the first couple of months they get a little extra stuff, which is always good. You always want to give your people extra stuff to keep them coming back to you. Alright, so that would put me, there we go. Alright, so everybody see what I've done to build now this member page. Of course, I've got to come back in and finish it. I will need to, did I even save it? I will need to come back in, like I said, add the resources section here, add some things in there, some money makers. Every page of your membership site is like virtual real estate, okay? You need to have things on every page that make you money. Got it? Alright, so now that I've got that, I need more pages for each month. And basically the pages are going to be the same. They'll just have different downloads on them, okay? So I'm going to save and close this. We're going to go to pages, all pages. And I'm going to make 11 more pages like this. So there's month 2. Maybe. So month 2 graphics. Oh, come on. Edit. Click OK. We're going to update. Go back to all pages. And there's our second month of graphics. So I need 10 more of these. Now, if you don't have all your content for all the months you're going to have your membership site, or you're not going to be doing it like a monthly thing, that's okay. All I want you guys to pay attention to is how I'm building the membership site, okay? It'll be the same no matter what you're doing. You build all the pages you need initially, If you're just going to be updating content monthly instead of doing like a what I call a fixed term membership like this one, where I know how much content I'm going to have and how many months of content I'm going to have. I'm going to have 12 months of content. This is the way you'll do it. If you're just doing a monthly where you just add a page each month, then you just add your page each month. But you need to get at least your member homepage in your first month, those pages created, okay? So, month 3 graphics, click update, go back to all pages. So we're going to now do month 4 graphics. Click OK. Update. I'm going to start going a little bit faster now, guys. If this thing will let me go faster. Almost done. Just bear with me, guys. Come on. Then we have coming on month 8. Click OK, and then we're going to update. Almost done. Alright, month 10, graphics, copy, edit, update, 2 more. And now month 11. Or 12. Come on, brain. Okay, click OK, and update. Alright, so that gives us all the member pages that we need. So we have membership home, month 1, 10, 11, 12, 2. Now, I want to show you guys something that I do a lot because I'm OCD, but a lot because it helps me stay organized. There is a plugin called Page Order. Oh, come on. Add new. Page Order. I think it's called Simple Page Order. Anytime now. All right, yeah, simple page ordering. So when you install this plugin, it allows you to drag and drop how you want your pages. And I'll show you. All right, so it's activated, ready to go. So we're going to go back to pages. And I'm going to put these in the order that they should be in. So come back down under here underneath number 9, and I can put 10, 11. Now this helps with a lot of different things, but when I'm just looking at this, it just helps me stay organized. All right, so now is what I need to do is I'm going to quick edit all of these, and I should have done this beforehand, but I want to put as the parent as the member home, okay? So I should, and I could have done this when I was creating these pages, I just didn't. And this is going to allow me to create a menu on my page, and I'll show you guys in just a second. So quick edit, member home. All right, so if I go back to the home page, I could actually put a menu. I don't know where I would put that menu though, where it won't look crazy. Let's do this. Let's do edit page. Getting all your pages built is the most time-consuming thing ever. So we have our month 1 graphics. If I add a row, do one column, insert, add an element. Let's do a menu. Why won't it let me put a menu in here? Maybe it's membership breadcrumb trails? No, that's not what I want. That would have been good on the pages though that we created. Let's see if Randall's on. Excuse me, guys. Randall, do you know where the menu thing is in OptimizePress? I know there's one because I've used it before. Content templates, membership settings. Randall says on a call. Okay. All right, so Randall's busy. He's usually my guy that knows where everything is. Let's see. Let's go back down here. Let's go back and scroll through here. Arrows, audio, bullet, button, calendar. I can't think of anything else that would freaking call it other than a menu. Membership navigation bar. Wow. I'm going to lose my mind today. Let's go with Let's go with this one, and we may not even put it on this page. So I want to go with this one. List pages from parent product. So alphabetically, we're going to do WordPress order. Title is going to be menu. Insert. Yeah, Charles says membership breadcrumbs, but that's not working. So membership settings, product. Product name, member home. Okay, now click update and see if that shows. Let's do save and continue, see if it shows publicly. It does not. Randall says, I know what you're trying to do, only done it once with OP2. You need to set the other pages as one level lower. That's what I did. I put the pages as only show in this once they are published. Let's do save and close. Let's go back to dashboard. Alright, so member home, all of these are, let's make sure I did that right. Yeah, they're all the member home thing, so I did that right. So if we do live editor, okay, it's not in that. Not in that. It's got to be in the membership settings. I just don't know where. Product name is member home. Product. Change page type. Okay, we don't want to do that. And it's still not showing. The frickin' pages. Okay, let's see if it's something different here. So course description, feature, files, guarantee box, headline, launch, live search, membership navigation sidebar. Okay. If we do this WordPress order, number of columns, let's do it one column, product, member home. Okay, now that shows them all. But am I going to have to go in and edit every single one of these? That's not what I want. At all. We're going to get rid of that right now. Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of that too. Randall says you need to change the monthly page membership page type. So I have to go in and edit all of those membership pages I just created for that to show here. Let's add an element. Let's go back through here and look. Slider, scroll, pricing, okay. Text blocks, tab, setup graph, step graphics, social sharing, recent posts, Q&A, progress bar, pricing overlay, order box, opt-in box, news bar, navigation. So hopefully it'll just let me create a custom navigation. Navigation menu. Customize your navigation menu using the options below. If you have not yet created a navigation menu, go to Appearance Menus. Alright. Let's just go ahead and insert this right now. Oh, it's just going to go ahead and show all of these. I guess it's just going to pull that as the default. But is what I want to do is I don't want to have that like that because we're going to do member because that's going to pull in all of the pages, and there's going to be some other pages we have to create that I don't want to show in that. So we'll do member navigation, create menu, so we'll do member home. At this point we can just select all, add to menu, but now it's going to screw everything up. 1, 2, this has turned out to be quite the pain in the butt. And 11, 12. Alright, so save menu. Let's edit this menu now. Try that again. We saved the menu, right? To create your first menu. Okay. We're going to try this again. Sorry guys, I got neighbors out that talk really loud. Oh my god, this is making me crazy. I've created the menu. There's now a menu in here. Menus. Member navigation. Okay. Add element. Okay, let's see. Sorry guys, I'm just reading what Randall had typed in there. Alright, so we're going to figure this out, guys. Just give me 1 second. Images, launch navigation. We don't need that. Membership. Membership navigation sidebar. Is this the one that we just... Okay, that's not what we want. Membership navigation sidebar. So if we take this and we look here, list pages from product parent. Show pages from this page level only. WordPress order. If we do member navigation, insert. Oh, I'm not going to lose my mind today. Not today. Not today. Not that one. Navigation. Try this again. There's no damn navigation menu, and I've created a fucking... Oh, excuse me. I've created a freaking navigation menu. This is when the F-bombs start coming out, guys. Membership settings. Try this again. Product. Update. Add an element. Let's see if we can get that member menu back. Membership breadcrumbs, membership navigation, membership page listings. Randall says you have to set the membership page settings for all of the content pages. But which one of these do I use then, Randall? Do I use the membership navigation sidebar or the membership page listings? Not that one. It's this one. Alright, so what I'm going to try and do, go with this one. Do this WordPress order. Member navigation. Product. Member home. Show content, insert. I don't know what the hell happened, but now it works. And I didn't have to go and edit any of that stuff. So, ask me to replicate that, I'll be like, I don't know, it was one of those options. And I don't know what I did to make that work. But this is what we used, if we edit this, is the membership navigation sidebar thing. I did the whole, it let me select member product, or product is the member's home. I have all those pages listed as child pages of the parent page. Alright, so we're going to do save and close. We're going to view this page and see what it looks like. So we've got all of these, and right now they're all open. They're going to be able to see them. But the plugin we're going to use will allow us to drip these, and you'll see that it'll show that it's not available yet if they haven't been a member long enough. All right, so I know something else I want to do on the pages. So like month 1, let's get rid of this. Okay, so there's already a member breadcrumb trail thingy here, but under these resources, and I'll have to do this on every freaking page now. Launch. Doesn't matter because I'll have to come in and edit the resources on every page too. So if I do add an element, and we do membership navigation sidebar, and we pick, I'll go with the same thing here. This page is WordPress order. We get member navigation. And I may want to put this above. Probably be a really good idea to look at what all I have on the page for each membership page that I already have built. I need to go graphics. All right, so looking through here, if we look down through here, MRU's membership page listings, that one is supposed to be a sidebar, which is why it looks like it does. Okay. All right, guys, so if we go and look at this page, at all the stuff I have on here, okay. So pages, member home, let's save and continue with this and see what it looks like just to make double sure. All right, I need to put a spacer in between. Let's do add element. We're going to put a space in there. I'm going to do this at 20 pixels. I hit insert. Now save and continue. Click OK. Month 1 graphics. Really? Edit. Let's do insert. Save and continue. Refresh. And for some reason it's still not putting a freaking space in that. So if we go and we look right here. Oh, guys, geez. See, this is why. That should work now that I have it in the right place. So if we hit refresh, there we go. Now we finally have our space in there. All right, so this is looking good. It's starting to look like a real membership site now. I'm just going to stop what I'm doing here. I'm actually going to do one more page. I'm going to do month 2 because let's do ready to graphics / members month. Actually need month. Alright, so if we edit month 2 now, let's just get 2 pages done with this. So I want to edit this text. Alright. Control V. Thanks again for being a valued member of ReadyToGoGraphics.com. You're well on your way to producing an army of high-quality digital products. Please note, we do not recommend you bookmark this page. So we're going to get rid of that. Insert, update, and of course I'll have to come in and put the correct graphics here. I do want to let's do a space. I think we did that 30 on the last one. Insert. We're going to add an element. We're going to do the members navigation sidebar. Okay, I'm going to pick the black. List pages from the parent. Okay, nope, we didn't want to do that. WordPress, title, member, navigation, product, member home, category, subcategories, insert. Now we're cooking with gas, guys. Save and continue. Alright, so at this point I've got my membership pages built. Of course, I've got to go in and edit them, add the correct content, add more content to the month one. But at this point, all my regular pages are done. Now there's going to be some more pages we're going to have to create. We're going to be using, like I told you guys, MemberSonic. And there's a couple of pages within MemberSonic that you have to create. And we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to do save and close on all of these. Okay, that looks fine to me. Done here. Save and close. And let's go to all pages. Alright, so last week when we were doing this, we downloaded MemberSonic and got it uploaded. So if we go to plugins, installed plugins, MemberSonic is right here. We did not activate it, so we're going to need to activate that. And then I'm going to log into my MemberSonic here. Alright, so you download the MemberSonic Pro plugin from here, and this is also where you get your license for it. So that's what I need to do first. So I'm going to get my key here. And guys, you cannot use my key. If you use my key, I will see it, and things will not be good for you. Alright, so we're going to put this in here, and then the username is Liz Tomey, and then my email address, validate, and that should bring you to this screen. This is the wizard for MemberSonic Pro. So set up your default redirect pages. So after people log in, you want them brought to your front page, okay? Now, you also need an access denied, a content not yet available page, a login page, and a thank you page. The thank you page, this one's a little tricky. I just set it as my member homepage, but depending on what you're doing with your membership will depend on what you do with that thank you page, okay? But I'm just going to leave it set as my member homepage for now. Now I need to create an access denied page, a content not yet available page, and the login page. So I'm just going to do pages, and we're going to go, optimize press. We're going to do create new page. Looks like my computer's about to die. I'll have to run and get up my cord. After we create this first page, I'll do that. Alright, so I'm going to come down here to the membership pages. Okay, guys, my computer's no longer playing. Give me just 1 second. I'm going to grab my power cord. Alright. So let's go back to pages here. I'm just going to use this support page because I just need blank pages. So name your page. Well, the first page I need is the access denied. So I'm just going to call this access denied. Create page. Let's go. Need to go to the dashboard here. I just want to see what I did for the membership homepage. If we view it, I try and keep it looking the same. So this is just ready to go graphics.com. Okay, so edit. Ready to go graphics.com. Insert that. I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, so I can pick whatever graphic I want here. I can either use the ones that are built into this, or I can upload my own. You can do all kinds of things. See, there's like a stop sign. I want to keep with the green. But I'm not seeing anything that represents you have no access. Let's just pick. I'm going to pick this. It's better than the tree. Insert. Alright, so I'm going to do edit. I'm going to put here access denied. You must have a username and password and be a paying member of readytographics.com to access this page. If you have questions or need help, please contact me at lizlive.com. I'm going to open that in a new tab, click Update. Note, if you would like to join readytographics.com, please click here to get your membership. And then, this way if somebody is just trying to access something and they don't have a username and password and they want to access it and they want to buy a membership to your site, giving them a direct link to do that right here. So click here, and I'm going to link this to my front page. So insert, looks like we need another space at this access denied thing here. Let's see what that does. Insert. Alright, I'm happy with that. So let's publish and then save and continue. So we'll click OK. And let's view the public link here. Perfect. So we got that one done. The next one we need is content not yet available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and close this. And we're going to go to Pages, All Pages. So access denied. I'm just going to clone this page. I'm just going to call it Not Yet. Control V. Click OK. Launch the live editor. Content not yet available. The content you're trying to access is not yet available. If you feel like this is an error, please contact us at lizlive.com. Alright, now I'm going to open this up in a new window. So I want to keep all of these. Access denied 2 should be edit page. Let's see. Looks like I put too many spaces in here. That makes it not enough. So let's do insert. You can change that graphic if you want. I'm just going to leave it. So save and continue. What else did I have? Okay. Save and continue. Okay, I'm going to do save and close and figure out why the not yet. Click update. Content not yet available. Okay, so there's that page now. So we got member. Jesus. Probably going to have a nervous breakdown live on a webinar today. See guys, you are not the only ones that struggle with technology. I do too. Alright, last page we need is the login page. So I'm going to go ahead and just clone the not yet page. And I'm going to call this login. Login. Click OK. Click update. Now we're going to do the live editor. Edit. We're going to call this login. And then because we're using Optimize Press, it's not giving me the option. Usually there's like a MemberSonic button where you can put in all the MemberSonic shortcodes. But the shortcode you want to put in here is, I believe, MS login. Insert. Okay, so because I'm logged in, this is what it's going to show. But I'm going to show you guys. Let's do save and close. So if we view this page now, it's going to show me that I am logged in. Now I don't have any membership set up yet, so it's not going to show that I have access to anything. So if I go through here, and let me tell you guys something else here. There is a huge tutorial. There's all kinds of tutorials here that show everything you need to know about using MemberSonic ever. They're absolutely awesome. I'm just giving you guys the crash course. But before you use the MemberSonic plugin, I highly recommend that you go through the tutorials. But guys, it's really easy. Create all your pages, use this wizard, okay? So because I've created these pages, I'm going to have to go back to dashboard and refresh this. So after login, I want them to come to the member home. Access denied page, access denied. Content not yet available, not yet. Login page, login. Thank you page, I'm leaving it set as member home. Click next. Now you have, even if you're not going to use PayPal, you're going to use like JVZ or something, you have to put in all your information here. So payment fails. We're going to put access denied. Currency, perfect. Configure your admin settings. Display name, Liz, Tomi. You can decide if you want notifications sent to you when people do sign up. Create your membership level. I'm just going to call this monthly graphics. Select thank you OTO page. I'm just going to select member home. After login page, member home. Next. Now is what you want to do is, this is where you protect all your content. So member home, graphics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 are all that's going to be in mine. Now where it says days to drip, if you want them to have immediate access, you can either leave it blank or set it to 0. So every 30 days they're going to get content. They're going to get access to a different package. So this would be 30 days, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 270, 300, and 330. Alright, so all the rest of this is fine. So I can do save and launch. So at this point, my membership is protected. People have to pay to get a membership. But all I've done now is just protect everything. So if you try and go to any of these pages, like if I open up Internet Explorer, which takes a million years because Internet Explorer sucks. But I try and go to, let's say, the login page. And I'm doing this in a different browser because it won't show me logged in a different browser. It's going to show me the actual login here. Eventually. There we go. So this is what the actual login page looks like. So if I go and let's say why is this just trying to do it on a secure page. I don't know why. Okay, we've got an issue. I don't know why it's trying to go to a secure server. Randall, are you on? Good Lord, what could go wrong today has gone wrong today. Randall says hi. Okay, Randall, so I'm trying to go to my WP-admin, and it's giving me an SSL protector error. I don't have a secure thing on this. I don't have an SSL certificate on this. Never have. So do you have any idea why it's doing this? I've never seen this kind of error. Might be something in HT access file. But I haven't edited anything in there. I don't know why it's trying to go to an HTTPS. Alright, so I can access the main site fine. I'm able to access everything here, okay, right? Log in, yep. Monthly, what if I did WP-admin? Alright, it's working fine in Internet Explorer. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine in Internet Explorer, so why is Chrome being a bitch? It's because I started talking bad about Internet Explorer. Yeah, I have HTTPS here also. Ronald says Chrome is causing problems. It's always cookies in history. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to figure out why this is doing what it's doing in Chrome to begin with. Video dashboard. Yeah, it's doing it on all of them now. Reload. Okay, but that's okay because we got as far as I wanted to get today. I just wanted to get all the pages created and show you guys how to use the MemberSonic wizard. So at this point is what we're left to do is start adding the order button and stuff like that, because once people pay, then that's when they're going to get access to the membership site. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that using JVZoo. It's pretty easy, and like I said, the tutorials in Membersonic are awesome, and they can show you exactly how to do everything I just showed you to do today. But the easiest thing to do, create all your pages, then install Membersonic, go through the wizard, tick the pages you want to protect. If you're going to drip the content, set the drip days, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. All right? All right, guys, so what questions do you have about what I have covered today? Any questions on what I've covered today? And I didn't really mention any other resources. I'm going to try clearing my cookies and everything within Chrome and see if that helps. But I have a feeling that's not going to help because bookmarks, history. If you guys have questions, just go ahead and type them in. Where is the clear history stuff? You would think I've never used a computer before. Clear browsing data. Jesus. Clear. Alright guys, any questions on what I covered today? If there's no questions on what I've covered today, basically we just continued on from what we were talking about the other day. We'll switch over and see if you guys have any questions about what you're doing in your business. Last call for questions on stuff about today. It's pretty straightforward. Create your content, use Membersonic or whatever membership plugin you're going to use to protect everything. I do really recommend Membersonic, and like I said, guys, remember, I have the 50% discount. There's only 2 people that offer the 50% discount that I'm aware of. So it's really hard to get that. So if you're going to buy Membersonic, make sure and use my link. Alright guys, I don't see any questions coming in about what we covered today. Anybody have questions on what they're working on currently in their own businesses? Any questions? Anything you're working on in your business that you need help with? Building your business. Charles says, hey Liz, can we get you scheduled to present for the summit? Yeah, I know I have an email from you and a text maybe and a voicemail. I'm trying to get to you, brother. I'm trying. All right, guys, questions about what you're doing with your business? Anybody have any questions about what you're doing with your business? This is your chance to get free help from me. And guys, as you're going through your week, if you come across questions or anything like that, write them down. Show up to these webinars and ask me. All right, let's see if we can get into ready to go. I'm waiting on you guys to see if you have any questions. Ready to go graphics.com. Oh, we need to put the Y in there. All right, and then it's monthly. And miraculously, it's just working. Awesome sauce. Follow spells, clear your cookies and your history, or, restart your computer. All right, guys, last call for questions. If there's no questions, we're going to wrap it up for today. Last call for questions. Give you guys just a moment. I'm going to take a swig of coffee. All right, guys, I don't see any questions coming in, so we are going to be done for today. Next week, we're going to continue on with part 3 of this. You guys will get to watch me set my sales page up and hook everything up correctly so that I can start taking orders for this and get people, once they order, automatically into the membership where they have their username and password and can access everything. All right, guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll see everybody next week. Fingers crossed, right? Roy says, coffee, I'm thinking beer 30. Yeah, after the craziness of today, I could use a drink. Not really. I'm not really a drinker at all. Just going to keep drinking coffee. All right, guys, have a wonderful week.